10 nga po. Tapos dalawang Spanish bread lang. Good morning everyone. It's me, Ruby Corpuz. Welcome to Baguio City. I have a YouTube channel, Ruby Corpuz, for Muay Thai and kickboxing training, fitness. So let's start. Let's do a simple, quick home exercises. So let's go. First, we warm up our head, our entire body. Just 2 counts. Of course, we're all busy. Need to do something. Just simple, quick exercises. 10 counts each for the sit-ups. Side. That's for our core, our arms, just 10 push-ups. For our legs, squats, 1, 2, just 10 counts each, and we do a little Muay Thai kickboxing training. So start with a jab, a jab straight, weave, overhand. There. Or we start with those things and end it with different strikes. Jab, straight, weave, jumping knee. Or jab, straight, weave, front kick. There. It's a quick exercise. I know we are all busy, but still, we need to get in shape. We need to be fit for the people we love. So, thank you so much for watching. More blessings to all of us.
Bagay na bagay na pala to. Para kang rockstar.
Oo, kaya nga eh. Ingat, Rio.